So here's my driver's side ball joint. So it's pretty ripped up right here. I don't know if that's causing a problem, but it's definitely not as stiff as the ones I got. This part though, I think my ball joints are bad. I'm getting a little bit of a clunk and they're split and they're not seeing their better day. So I'm going to replace this ball joint, and at the same time I'm going to replace the sway bar connect. The sway bar connect, you have to take it off anyway, and it's pretty inexpensive. This is an 8 right here. The easiest thing is a ratcheting 18 to take off this nut and this nut, and the 18 will take off this right here. This ratchet 18 will make your life so much better removing this nut. So let's get to it. I think removing this will be easy, then it'll allow this to drop down. So if you remove this is kind of holding it on, so you gotta remove that to let it all drop down. All right, so here's some tips on replacing the upper control arm on the LR3. First of all, to remove these bolts, first of all, this is a 18 millimeter. This is 21 millimeter. So again, 21 right here, 18 on the bolt. To get them out, highly suggest getting a ratcheting wrench, 18 and a 21. It's just going to make your life completely easier. Now the issue with putting them in, you put them in about 52 pounds of torque, and then you raise the wheel up to the correct height from the center of the lug to the wheel arch, and then you tighten them down to about 129 foot-pounds of torque. The issue is there's really almost no way to tighten this. So you're really coming up from underneath here. This will be disconnected. You have to disconnect the lines from the upper control arm to get access. And then this one, because you're pulling, you would have to go in a completely, you can't really push down that very well. So what I did was, I've got a bar, and it's about a 1 inch by 2 inch bar, and then therefore I was able to use it right here on the end and raise up. Now basically I did a little bit by feel, but I got it on there really tight, so I feel good about that. These are 85 and this is 52. Just FYI on that. Again, it's 85 right here, pounds torque. So that's about it. It's a little tricky just getting access because the bolts are hard to get to, but like I said, get yourself a 18 inch and a 21 inch ratcheting wrench to take these out, the old ones out. It's going to make life a lot easier on you. Hope this helps. Thanks.